Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to learn how to change the pivot point or origin of any object in Blender. For those who are unfamiliar with the concept of pivot points, they can check out my detailed video from the link in the description where I explain it thoroughly. So without further ado, let's move on to today's video without wasting any time. Firstly, I will delete all the objects present in the scene and import an object through which I will explain things better to you. After importing the door into Blender, if I want to open the door, you can see that when I rotate it around Z axis, the door rotates around its center. This means that the pivot point of the door is in the center. Firstly, I will join the door with the handle. For this, I will select both the door and the handle, then press Ctrl J. In this way, the handle will be joined with the door. In Blender, the origin of any object is shown by a yellow dot. Currently, the origin of the door is represented by this yellow dot. To change the origin, first I will move the 3D cursor to the desired location in the scene where I want the origin to be placed. For that, I will press Shift and right click on the desired location. This will place the 3D cursor at that location. If you only need to open or close the door directly in Blender, you just need to go to the Transform Pivot Points options and select the 3D cursor. Then you will see that you can easily open or close the door from the desired location or from where your cursor located. However, you can see that the origin is still in the same place. If you were to take this object to another software or a gaming engine, you would find the origin in the same place. So before taking it to another software, you would need to move this origin to the location where it should be. Now let's move the origin to the exact location. For this, I will first place the 3D cursor at the precise location. I will press a tab button to switch from object mode to edit mode. Then I will select the vertex where I want the 3D cursor to move. After that, I will press Shift plus S to bring up options and I will click on Cursor to Selected. You will see that the 3D cursor moves to the exact location. Now I will go back to the object mode. Next, I will click on the object and go to Set Origin. Here you will see some options: Geometry to Origin, Origin to Geometry and Origin to 3D Cursor. We will select Origin to 3D Cursor. As soon as we click on it, you will see that the yellow dot or origin moves to the location of the 3D cursor. This way we can change the origin of any object. And when you take it to any gaming engine after changing the origin will be in the correct position. I hope you have understood this class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. We will meet again in the next class. Until then, goodbye and take care.